What's up, everybody? OBS right here, back with another video. I didn't even know these guys were here, but look at this. Athens Auto Glass. Here to get a new windshield. Put it in the truck.
Screw the roll. Off the hood. Somewhere.
Look at this. This looks insane. This is crazy.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, let's put it right here. Yeah. Said somebody tried to JB weld it?
Yeah, that's what all that gray stuff is in there.
Oh, man.
I never got it off there.
That's crazy.
So, I'm going to take the one that goes on from over there and put over here.
Put it on the driver's side?
Yeah, and you just need to find you one he's sitting somewhere.
Yeah.
Basically just raise it up, take your pocket knife and slide that out, and it'll wiggle up.
Alright. Dang. That one is broke. You said where it hooks to the transmission. Dang. Yeah, that's my dad. Did he do that, or the last guy who had it did that? Because I know I didn't do it. Wires to the overhead console lights. That should be him calling. He said he was There's the train.
Yeah, normally I wouldn't be worried about it, but as tight as they are on that glass right there.
Oh yeah, I see right there. Yeah, I think it's these. It's
yeah.
these. This is crazy.
Nice little truck though.
I appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, my bad. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah, I'm recording. 5. Alright, see. Alright, look at that. It's all cracked up now. I had a sun strip on it. No windshield.
I need a Farm 3647.
Oh, you did it cut it?
Did not get the wires.
Oh, it didn't get them.
Got the aftermarket headliner.
Yeah, that'd be alright.
Whoever put this windshield in before did it retire. It's a ridiculous amount of heat right here.
This is crazy. Look at this, you can see right through it. And it actually didn't get the wires.
What are you recording for? You got a page?
That is crazy.
Might have some bad urethane.
It looks so weird without the cowl on it. Right here.
primer. It's got a rust inhibitor in it.
Yeah.
So not only does it prevent it from rusting anymore, but it actually helps kind of repair the rust.
Repair that's already there. Smells good.
Alright, now.
Let's see who's doing it. Nothing's over. Hit them up if you're in the area. Man, that looks nice.
It's guaranteed not to leak as long as you let us get out the driveway.
Alright. Yeah, the whole thing.
Yeah, it's called the cow panel. But the person that has to go ahead and have it in place, I think you can get them off of Amazon and stuff now.
Yeah.
This comes in nice, shiny, brand new looking.
Yeah.
You have to transfer your wiper things over.
Alright.
A lot of times you come with crystallized already in it.
The last couple I've seen, they've had to put them in. Transfer them.
But actually Amazon stuff.
Yeah.
Have screw in the corners.
Nope. These are some kind of torque. Did y'all put these screws in there?
I think so, yeah.
So yeah, they're supposed to be all Phillips. They normally get replaced because they're a bad design. It's just like a hole that holds water.
Yeah.
Screw tips out.
feels good.
See how these overheads do us?
Yeah.
Hey, the man can drive a 5-speed. I can't find him too hard. Your boy wants to go buy a manual transmission and calls you to see if you'll drive it home for him.
Yeah, that's 5-speed, and this got a 5-speed.
Yep.
He went.
Alrighty, well there you are, my man.
I appreciate it. That looks good. Way better than what it did. Yeah, give it a little time, then I'm gonna get me some ceramic tint put on it.
Yeah, give me at least a week. I'll get that glue tint set up good so while it's sliding around they ain't making a mess.
Alright. I got you. Alright. Thank you. There it is. Athens Auto Glass. In the area. Hit them up. Got me looking good. I like that. Minus the one wiper. I go pull the other one off the Escalade in a second and place it on there. But yeah, it looks good. Said wait about a week or two. And then I'll get some tint put on it like he has on the Impala. And my mom got some tint put on hers too. I think he said this is 50% ceramic tint. I like that. I might go with 50. That's probably what I'll go with. But yeah, that's it. New glass in the truck, no cracks, no chips. Hopefully it'll stay that way. This broke off right there, and I don't know where the broken right here. So I'll pull one off the Escalade in the back. I might as well just go do that real quick. Put it in this video too. All right, I got it off of the white truck, the Escalade. But I'm gonna swap over my blade because my blades are about a year old and these are nasty. Mine way nicer, nice black. But I guess whenever I do some more painting that involves black paint, I'll have to paint this one. I honestly forgot how you do this though. That's how that comes off. It should come off. I'm finna lay some paint. Got this, the Escalade one, separated from its old wiper. Now we're gonna lay some paint on it because it's faded. I'm gonna paint a nice black to go with the other one. Cool cars, KJ.
Tired, ready to take me a little nap.
it's dried already, so I'm gonna hit it with a second coat real quick. Wait a sec. I'm painting this windshield. I mean, just part of the way. I'm showing you. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, that should be it. I'm gonna just do 2 coats like that. Let this dry, and then I'll come back and put it on. I'll attach wherever the wiper, the actual wiper is. It's probably in the truck. I'll attach that onto it, put it on, and then that'll end this video off. So I'll be back. Alright, it's been a couple days. I'm finally finna put it on so I can finish this video up. But yeah, it's nice and black, painted. Still a little rusty on the bottom. I'm finna attach this back to it, stick it on there, and then conclude this video. I'm just ruining my video. Pop the hood, man. I think it'd be a little easier if I lift the hood up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, after my dad helped me, we just put it on. We think it's on right, so that took forever. It's hard to do with a cow hood on. Yeah, it's working, so that's it. I guess it's on all the way now. It should be good. It's on. That'll conclude this video. New windshield. It's already dirty. Pollen has started coming in, so it's already dirty. But new windshield from Athens Auto Glass. It's got no cracks or anything in it. I ain't gotta worry about leaking or nothing like that, or it being easier to break. But that crack ain't look so good. That end of the video. We'll catch y'all in the next one.